Hey, how is everyone? Lou here from RV Habit. Finally got my Green Mountain Grill Davy Crockett pellet smoker. We're going to unbox it, see what's in there, and get to put it together. Okay, looks like they gave you two sockets on a T-handle to put it together. Smokestack. What else we got in here? Got a cover. Actually, that's actually really nice, soft like pleather. That's nice. Might even be leather. And it looks like it's going to be tough. It's all one piece. Looks almost all put together. Okay, I got it out of the box. And this is what they call a tailgater. So you can actually use these spring feet that are on it, and it'll sit on a tailgate or a picnic table, or you can use these foldable legs that it comes with to stand it up on. Open it up. Handle. It's been put on the opposite way for shipping. We'll turn that around. Quick start guide. Looks like a power pack for 110. This is your power cord, 12 volt, so you can run this off of 110 or 12 volt. That's what's nice about it. Owner's manual. Quite a big book. Actually, 2/3 of its recipes. The rest is how to operate it. Another 12 volt power supply in case you want to connect directly to your battery. Some grates. More packing. A heat shield, and looks like diffuser box, and that's it. Okay, let's see what we got to do to get this together. Okay, so the first thing it says to do is reverse the handle and install the stack, so we'll do that. And again, they included the wrench that you need. Okay, so when you remove the handle, there's 4 heat washers per bolt. So 2 heat washers go on the bolt. Bolt goes through the inside. Then 2 more heat washers go on, and then the handle, and that'll keep the handle cool while you're smoking. So again, the bolt, a lock wash, a flat wash, 2 heat washers through the hole on the inside. Two heat washers, and then the handle. And we'll just tighten it up. Okay, the next part, they say to put the smokestack on, and all the bolts are already in place, so you have to take them out. And there's also a heat washer here. We want to make sure we put that back on. Get one bolt started here. And just leave the washers in the position. There's a lock wash, a flat wash, and then it goes on. And just so you know, there's slots in this, so when you're traveling, you could actually loosen these nuts and turn this sideways. For operation, straight up. And we'll tighten these down. So I have everything out of the grill, and it comes with this little bag of starter pellets, and it says you need to put them in the firebox here to prime it. And I'll just leave that, and then we're going to put the rest of the parts in. Okay, so once your pellets are in there, I'm going to put the heat shield in, the open end, or they say the 3 large holes to the left. And you can adjust that left or right. Then a grease tray goes in, and it says the half moon goes to the left. Now it's got to sit on the ledge here, so it actually sits at an angle. There's a little lip here, and it catches, and you can see it's on an angle. And then you're going to put in the grates. And that's it. Now it does say we're going to fire this up and run it for 30 minutes at 350 to burn off any shipping oils or anything like that. So that's the next phase. Okay, so I actually put some extra pellets into the hopper. You have to buy them separately. It only comes with a starter bag for the firebox. So I don't know if you can see it. It's really sunny here. I got it as close as I can. This actually says off. And now I'm going to hit the power key. And it says it's going to run through 3 cycles. Okay, the auger just stopped and it went to cycle 1. And it should stay on cycle 1 for, like I said, about 1.5 minutes. Okay, just like it said, it took about 1.5 minutes. It moved to cycle 2 and the fan kicked on. So now this should help the pellets start to burn. And this should take about 1.5 minutes also. Okay, now move to cycle 3, and that says the controller performs maintenance and adjusts the thermal sensor. It says this should only be about 30 seconds on this cycle. Okay, and from cycle 3 it jumped right to 90 degrees. It's showing me the temperature now, and it does not want you to adjust the temperature until it's a minimum of 150 degrees. So the firebox is burning now. As soon as I see 150, I'm going to turn it up to, I believe it was 350 for 30 minutes to burn off all the residual oils. I just wanted to show you that it's at 90 degrees and it's putting out quite a bit of smoke already. So it looks like it's working good. Alright, as soon as I get to 150, I'm going to adjust it to 350 and let it burn off for 30 minutes. Okay, so that's been running at 350 for 30 minutes. I'm going to lower the temperature back down to 150. And that's as low as it'll let you go, 150. I'll let that run for a minute. And then for this model, it basically says you're going to press the power key, it'll stop burning and the fan will go on. So I'm just going to let that lower a little bit. Okay, so I've let it cool down a little bit. We're reading 179 now. For this model, it just says hit the power key and you'll see, I don't know if you can see the LED, but it actually says fan on the screen. And that'll cool the system off and go off automatically, and then you're shut down. But what's also cool about this unit is this actually comes with Wi-Fi. And here's the antenna. It comes with the antenna. I'm going to connect it. While it's cooling down. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my phone and we'll see how we connect it. Okay, so the fan went off. It took about 20 minutes to cool down. So I'm going to actually show you. The first thing you need to do, if you're not at home, you can connect directly to the Green Mountain grill via Wi-Fi with your phone, or if you are at home, you can actually use your home network. But the first thing you need to do is connect directly to the grill so we could set it up. So let's see, I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi, and I'm going to connect. It says GMG DC. That's what I'm going to connect to. And it says password. The password is the serial number on the green plate on the back. Click connect. And it says it may take about a minute to connect. Okay, so now it connected to GMG DC193. I could exit out of the Wi-Fi for the phone settings, and I'm going to actually go into the Green Mountain Grill, and you can see I'm connected, and it's telling me the grill temp is 98, and it's set for 150. Okay, and real quick, just to show you how to connect it to your home network. If you're home, you go into Wi-Fi, you pick your home network, put in your password, click connect, and it'll connect to your home network. Go back to your Wi-Fi settings in your phone. Connect to your home network. Now you're going to go to the home screen and click connect. And it's connected now to the home network. So the grill is connected to my home network. My phone is back on my home network. So you can connect it either way. And again, this app's quite extensive. You could use a whole hour video explaining it. We're not going to do that here. The next thing is I'm going to probably cook some ribs on this. That'll be another video. And that's it. If you have any comments, hit me up below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.